Hello everyone, so let's jump in straight to it. So over here I have a data CSV file, which is a normal CSV, and we're going to be using this to for our sample data. It doesn't have to be a CSV, it can be a text file, it can be anything really, but for this example we're going to start with a CSV file. So I have a normal headers and a normal data. So let's import into a PowerShell script to start with. So I'm going to open my PowerShell ISE. You could use any IDE for this occasion, but when I'm working with PowerShell I like to use ISE, so I'm going to use that for now. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to import this data. Okay, so one thing I like to do is I want to copy the path, and I just like to save that into a variable just to keep the name short when I'm running the script. And once I put that into a variable called WD, which stands for working directory, I'm going to make another one called data. I'm going to say import CSV, and here I'm going to say the path for that data is going to be data CSV. Okay, you could put the path flag here with your path. That was and as you can see, that's working. Okay, so that's important. Fine. So the first step is it's done, and we're gonna show you like just the function we're gonna be using to encrypt the data. That function is called Protect-CmdMessage. Okay, and also in PowerShell, as you may know, there's a function called get help, and you put the name of the function that you need help with, and that will give you like some information. Sometimes you can type examples. Let's see if this one has examples. I haven't tested yet. This one does not have examples, but you can also type online. Okay, and normally that will take you to a Microsoft page with information, but for this occasion it does not have. But if you just go to Google itself and just type Protect-CmdMessage document, and over here you're going to take it to a Microsoft page which has the information that we need to continue this project. Okay, so I'm going to pause here and I'll pick up on the next video.